Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of car audio with a product that's been making waves, the JBL GTO629 Premium 6.5-Inch Co-Axial speaker set. Let me tell you right off the bat, if you're on the hunt for the best 6.5 speakers with bass, you've come to the right place. These bad boys from JBL are absolute game changers when it comes to upgrading your car audio system. Now, what sets these speakers apart from the competition? Well, let's start with the basics. The GTO629 speakers feature carbon-injected +1 cones, which are larger than your average speakers in this class. What does that mean for you? More air movement, more bass, it's as simple as that. But it's not just about the bass. JBL knows that great sound is all about balance, which is why they've included their patented uni-pivot tweeter technology. This nifty feature allows you to aim the sound directly at your ears, ensuring a lifelike audio experience every time. And here's where it gets really interesting. These speakers come with a dedicated 12 decibels octave crossover, directing the highs and lows to the appropriate drivers for optimal sound quality. Plus, with a dual-level tweeter volume adjustment, you can fine-tune the sound to suit your personal preferences. Now, I know what you're thinking, all this tech sounds great, but how do these speakers actually perform? Well, let me tell you, they deliver in spades. Whether you're blasting your favorite tunes or enjoying a podcast on your daily commute, the GTO629 speakers offer crystal-clear sound with impressive depth and clarity. But don't just take my word for it. Customers all around the globe have been singing the praises of these speakers. From their easy installation to their unbeatable sound quality, it's clear that the JBL GTO629 speakers are a hit with car audio enthusiasts everywhere. So there you have it, folks. The JBL GTO629 Premium 6.5-Inch Co-Axial speaker set. With their powerful bass, precision engineering, and rave reviews, these speakers are truly the best of the best. If you're ready to take your car audio game to the next level, look no further than the GTO629s. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy listening.